this is Daddy's teeth currently. Oh, hear that pop? Now look at me. What do you see? Take out your tray. Get out your putty. Squish it all together into its one even, nice blue color. So after 5 minutes, you pull it out of your mouth, and here's your impression of your teeth. In about a week or two, make your veneer. That'll cover up your teeth. I just recently got pop-on veneers, and they were a great company to work with. So this is Daddy's teeth currently. They're real easy. Oh, hear that pop? Now look at me. What do you see? So try on these pop-on veneers. You'll like them.